All right, so the free sample pack of this week is from iwantthatsound.com. They have 500 free samples. They make some very excellent drum samples, one hits and loops and such. And they're giving away 500 different free samples. We'll check these out here in a second. So they have a mint 70s kit. They have a free sample collection here and the customer delight. A lot of these are from their sample packs. Actually, all of them, I think, except for the 70s kit maybe. I actually own a bunch of their stuff. And they're also on splice.com as well. You can check them out there if you have an account with Splice. And like I said, a lot of the samples are from their different collections, like the free kits of their different collections, but you do get a lot with the free stuff here. And we'll check out some of the samples here in a second. And please do subscribe to the channel. Every week I have a new free sample pack coming out. I have a bunch of other stuff on my channel related to music production, songwriting, and stuff like that. A bunch of other videos here that you might want to check out in the video description below. Ryan Tedder class review, Kygo, Blanks, Louis Bell, so on and so forth. Timberland, Deadmau5, film scoring classes as well. Reviews for those. Anyways, check those out as well. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Smash the like button if you like this video. Again, there is a link for the free samples in this video description as well, so check that out. Anyways, let's test out some of these sounds. Let's go. All right, so we have that 70s kit here. Let's test out some of these kicks. Now, there's no sample patches for these. You have to make your own. Some really nice sounds in here. Fat. Lots of different options. That's the 70s kit. And then we have the different sample packs. Like 1985 is one of their full products. Boomy kicks here. We got a bunch of snares. Toms and concert toms. Radical claps. So there's just a bunch of stuff there. They have the 1993 kit, boots and claps, cinematic pop. All kind of really interesting thing. Let's check out some of these loops in here so you get an idea of what they sound like all together. Some fills. So yeah, a lot of really cool stuff. Obviously, I'm not going to play a bunch of them, or all of them, I mean. Organic. Like I said, I own a bunch of the kits. I had to make my own sample patches, though, for this stuff. But there's a lot of really cool organic sounding drums and stuff like that. Just a overabundance in their free pack here. So check it out. Let's see what this custard delight thing is. Warehouse kicks, buzz toms. So those would be the room mics, I guess, and then dry. So pretty cool. Check them out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about all kind of different music production stuff, all that fun stuff, all kind of different things. And that's all for now, and I will talk to you soon.